Good quality IT asset management data is like teenage sex. Everyone wants some, but they don't know how to get it. Anyway, let's take a look at what it takes to build a trustworthy, high quality IT asset management configuration management database. Hi, my name is Kayvan Chernia. I head the Managed Service Business at Fusion, where we help organizations gain the critical capabilities they need in service management to support their digital transformation programs. Before we delve into the details of how to improve the quality of your asset data, let's take a look as to why high-quality, trusted asset and configuration management data is so vital to the digital business. Here is the COBIT 5 IT management and governance framework. If we drill a little lower, we get to see the 45 key functional areas and how they're all related to each other. And just like the elements periodic table, the closer the functions are to each other, the stronger the bond between them. And right in the center, we have asset and configuration management functions supplying vital information to the rest of the enterprise. So without reliable asset and configuration data, the rest of the organization becomes slow, inflexible, and ineffective, directly impacting how digital services are delivered, operated, and built for. So it is a really important area to focus on. Here are 3 key steps that will help you improve the quality of your configuration management database. First, you have to identify the consumers of the data, what they need it for, and how they will be accessing that data. Get that right, and that will help you to focus in the right areas. Now that you've identified the use cases, the second step is to define the attributes of the data that's required to drive that particular use case. Okay. The attributes you need to capture for each use case include completeness. Does the data describe everything you need to know? Validity, integrity and traceability of the data. Accuracy, the degree to which the data reflects the object. Consistency, is the asset described in the same way across multiple sources? Availability, the level of access required to the data. Timeliness, expected availability of the data when it is needed. Okay, now that you've done the first 2 steps, step 3 is to take a look at your CMDB and benchmark the data that sits there against these attributes for each use case and identify a data quality improvement program. Your data quality improvement program will cover these 4 scenarios. Scenario 1, data is in the CMDB and the source. This is great, nothing more to do. Scenario 2 is where data is in the CMDB but not in the source. This could be due to manually added records or integration failures. Scenario 3 is where data is not in CMDB but is in the source. This usually relates to discovery or integration issues. It may also be due to data source being updated manually. And finally, scenario 4 is where the data does not exist in CMDB, nor does it exist in the data source. This is the unknown unknown, or shadow IT. This is where Agentless Discovery offers massive hand in showing you what you don't know. Your remediation program will work to bridge these shortcomings. With a combined experience of over 100 years and 10 years of R&D effort, we are now providing these concepts and these methodologies as part of our 5th generation managed service, helping many organizations to dramatically improve the maturity of their IT asset management and configuration management processes. I would love to hear your thoughts and comments on some of these concepts and whether you're already trying out some of these ideas within your organization. So please feel free to leave me comments below and I will get back to you. Till next time, goodbye.